I would like to now discuss how material actually gets into the NCPower Compact system. There are two major ways to do this when it comes to news agencies, and that is we can get their information through RSS feeds and central memory. Messages are kept in the system on the NCPower server for up to 30 days, if not more, if they are archived. This way we can search through a great amount of information and news that we've received from the news agencies that we are subscribed to. At this point, I'm going to open up a new search and search for something as simple as President Obama. Once this opens up, you can see all of the amount of information that is coming in over our RSS and separate news feeds. If we were talking about getting video information into our system, then we could talk about the ingest schedule. Here we can go under our input tab and select ingest. Once we open this up, we can select our specific ingest schedule that this user is using. From this window, we can create a new scheduling job for ingesting of SDI video. Here we can create a title, the location, a clip ID. Importantly, we can select the start time of this ingest and for how long. For example, I'm going to ingest this video for 1 hour. You can also select the source that you'll be ingesting this video data from. Once I create this, it will appear on the ingest schedule, and when it reaches that point in time, it will ingest that video. This is extremely important for VJs who would come back from a rotation. They could already have the necessary amount of video data captured and ready to go. We also have support for file ingest, whether it comes from XDCAM, P2, or any other video format. Another important way of getting material into the NCPower Compact system is through the check-in strategy. If I were to create a new news story, or go to that tab rather, I could select Check in Microsoft Word document. From this point, I could either open up an Explorer if I was working in Windows, or if I was on a Mac computer, I would just simply open up a Mac Finder, and then I could drag and drop a file in. Or you could also use the internal dialog box that we have available. Simply by selecting the file, you can open it, and then it pulls all of the full text information out of that Word file and brings it into NCPower Compact. Now all of this text information is available for metadata search within the program. Also, you can double click on the Word icon and physically open up Microsoft Word. NCPower Compact will resize Microsoft Word so that you can still see the very important message board at the top. Here, you can edit all the necessary text information, and then it will update it in the system. Returning into NCPower Compact, I can add a description about this file. From there, we can save it into the system onto our server, and it can be searched later on. We can do this exact same process with also a PDF document, for example. Once again, using the internal dialog search box, we can click, find the file, and open it up in a similar fashion. This PDF is a little bit larger than that text file. Once again, double clicking, it is resized for viewing within NCPower Compact. Once we close out of this file, we can return back once again into NCPower Compact.